While working with spreadsheets, we may be able to hide multiple sheets together. That means in one time. But when we wanted to unhide them, normally we will not be able to do that. That means we can only unhide sheets one by one. But unhiding multiple sheets is possible in WPS spreadsheet. For example, I have many sheets here, sheet 1 to sheet 5. Let me hide sheet 2 to sheet 5 by selecting all of them. Right click and then hide the sheets. Now you can see the sheets are hidden. But in normal practice, what you need to do, you need to right click and then you have to say unhide and select only one sheet and press OK. But in WPS spreadsheet, it is possible to unhide multiple sheets together. Not only all the sheets, but any specific sheets. For example, I wanted to keep that sheet 3 hidden only, but sheet 2 and sheet 4 and sheet 5 I'm selecting. And if I say OK, I'll be able to see only those sheets unhidden. So that way this option is very handy in WPS spreadsheet.